Hello students, now I am going to teach you transformation of sentences part 2 from English grammar. So open the page number 53. Transformation of sentences means what? There is some changes should be done to certain sentences. First we will see how to change negative sentence into affirmative. So see, there is the one example of the negative sentence which has been changed into affirmative sentence. Say example, he is not happy with the gift. In this sentence, when you are using not, it means it is your negative sentence. So how to change this into affirmative? So for this happy, you can use the opposite word of happy, so that your sentence will be he is unhappy with the gift. It means it will never change the meaning of the sentence, but certain change in the sentences. So you have to use not instead of not, opposite word of this word happy, it will be unhappy. Second, I shall never forget my trip to Shimla. So here also, how you will find that it is the negative sentence? You are using this never. Never means it shows the negativity or negative word. So that what you will do? What is the opposite of forget? It is the remember. So your sentence should be in affirmative. I shall always remember my trip to Shimla. So there is no change in the meaning of the sentence, but certain changes in the words of the sentence, and that is why it is the negative sentence which you can use, or you can easily convert into the affirmative sentence, or you can say positive sentence. Now as soon as and no sooner than. Now how you will change the as soon as into no sooner than? So that first of all you need to understand the rules. See the rule first. You can rewrite sentences with as soon as sentence with no sooner than. It means you can use no sooner than instead of as soon as. Second, replace as soon as the no sooner than. So you have to replace this with this. It will get changed. Then follow no sooner with an auxiliary verb such as do, does or did. So if you are using no sooner, then after that you have to use the auxiliary verb do, does and did. So here it is do. Third, put than before the second clause of the sentence. Make changes in the main verb when necessary. And then where is your second clause? Second sentence is starting from they can go home. So before that you have to use than. Now your sentence will be, see first example of the as soon as. As soon as they finish the writing, they can go home. Your answer in the no sooner than will be no sooner do they finish the writing than they can go home. So what are the important changes you have to do? You have to first use no sooner instead of as soon as. After no sooner you have to use this auxiliary verb do, does or did, and before the second sentence, this sentence is actually one, but with the help of comma you can see there is the two sentences. So you have to use than before the second clause of the sentence, and so your answer will be no sooner do they finish the writing than they can go home. Now let's see the adverb to and so that. How to use so that instead of to. So that read the rules. You can rewrite sentences with the adverb to as the sentences with so that. First of all, same thing you have to do here. Instead of to, instead of this two you have to use so that. Then replace to with so. You have to replace this to with the so. Replace the to clause with a that clause. If in your sentence there is a to clause means what? In your action word before that there is a to. So to talk is here is the to clause. So instead of that, what you have to use? That. So here you will use that. Then your sentence is ready. Now see the first two in the sentence in which to is using. He is too weak to talk. And when you are doing that into the so that, when you are converting that into the so that, then your changes will be, he is so weak that he cannot talk. Here you have to use not before that, because you have to make the certain changes. You have to make this positive sentence into the negative sentence. Here to walk, instead of that you have to use not. So the meaning will remain same, but with the help of certain words you can easily change the sentence to into the so that. I hope you understand this. And now our English grammar syllabus has also completed. So do the practice at your home and stay safe, stay home. Thank you.